Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be supporting another small business. If you haven't seen, sorry, should have taken a drink before. If you haven't seen any of my recent videos that I've posted where I have been loving supporting smaller businesses, especially a lot of them are from Etsy. So yeah, I have a box here, and of course it's bath products. If you guys did not know, I am obsessed with makeup, and I am obsessed with like bath products, skincare stuff, bath bombs, bubble bars, stuff like that. So anyway, if you are interested to see what's in this box and what small business I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, then just keep watching. Alrighty. So what I love to do is I go on Etsy and I just type in bath bombs, and I will kind of scroll through a whole list full of different posts and stuff, and when I find one that catches my eye, I usually kind of look to see where they're located. Also, I do that on Instagram as well. This is how I found this company, and this is the company Vibes Bath Bombs. I will have them linked down below. Her Instagram and her Etsy page, and she is super sweet. She said, "Thank you for your order, Caitlin. I've included a blurb handwritten on the back side of our insert. Thank you again for sharing our little company." So she put this in here, which I will read it for y'all. This says, "Thank you for your order." And yeah, it has the pretty stuff on here. She said, "Hi, my name is Cameron, and I am the creator and owner of Vibes. My boyfriend Matthew runs Vibes with me by managing the logistics. I am currently an aerospace engineer student at Arizona State. I started Vibes to provide income while in school. It allows me to work when I can, as my class schedule is nuts. Vibes brings me so much joy. To see happiness spread through my handcrafted goods is an ultimate accomplishment. Thank you and happy bathing." Super freaking cute. That's awesome. She seems an aerospace engineer. Babe, what would an aerospace engineer do? Like work on?
They probably a lot of things. Design and mechanics of aircraft would be one thing probably.
You're a smarty pants.
Maybe spacecraft.
That's freaking awesome.
Lots of math, lots of brain power in there.
Yeah. Something that I don't have. Okay, she stuck some stickers in here, which are super cute. And I actually have a few of these stickers on my laptop, which I love, but I love these because, I mean, look, she's totally this is me in a, like, Disney character. So on top, what I see right away is some samples, which I'm so grateful for. I don't know what it is. Obviously, I love full-size products, but I love little samples as well. So I'm just going to reach for these. I did want to say I opened this box. I haven't looked what's inside of it. I did grab one of the bath bombs out because I wanted to do a demo with it. So I will be showing you guys that after I show you these little samples. The first one is this Here to Mars House blend of fresh cut grass, sun-dried cotton, pomegranate, and lang-lang, I guess. This is a bath bomb sampler. Ooh, I'm excited. I feel like we all know how, just making sure we're recording. We all know how gorgeous that's going to be, like, color-wise. Then there is this Sex on the Beach soap, and it is, I'll take it out and show you. I really want to see how this smells. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, that smells so good. That is orange, strawberry, peach, and vanilla. And it's a really cute, like, orange slice. That's adorable. Hunter, my 2-year-old, loves using little soaps like this. This is a tune out bubble bar. Citrus, soft florals, warm woods, amber, and musk. And for some reason, I am just so excited about this because I love the way that little, like, bubble bars look, like the pastel colors. Ooh, And that smells so good. Like, I want to keep this and not use it because it's just so adorable, but I'm like definitely going to use it because I've been getting into bubble bars lately. So those are the little samples. Next is this bath bomb right here. I'm going to show you. It is the pizza one, and the colors on it are gorgeous. I love the colors that she uses. I haven't received any bath bombs that are sorry guys, one second. I haven't received any bath bombs that are in the colors that she uses, like the pastel kind of colors, and then she puts this shimmer over the top of it, which is so gorgeous in the bath. It's so hard to explain. Obviously, you're seeing right now what it looks like. The color was so vibrant. This has to be like one of the prettiest colored baths that I have, bath bombs that I've received, and you guys know I've received tons of bath bombs, so that's definitely a compliment. It smelled amazing. I love the way that it dissolved like in the water. So yeah, I'm excited for this one, like super excited. If you guys know, I love all things like spooky. This is Louder Now, a house blend of Sour Patch Kids and banana. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to open this up and use it. Obviously, it is a ghost, and look how gorgeous that color is. I'm so excited. I think she's having a launch soon of some more products, so I'm definitely going to be purchasing more from her, just because she didn't have too much on her website when I purchased some stuff, so I just purchased a handful of things. But this is another one. This is a We All Float Down Here. Obviously, this is from the movie It. And this is Blush Peaches, Lemon, Bergamot, Mint, Spearmint, Microgreens, Musk, and Champagne. I can't smell it through the paper, which actually I'm kind of excited about because it'll leave me like wondering what it smells like, but I'll for sure be doing a review, like a video demo on this one. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, definitely do so. I will link it down below. It's Katie_Love_Makeup. Then she put a cute little ducky in here. Hunter's gonna love this. It's just a little pirate duck. Then I'm excited for these. Look how gorgeous this is. This is a strawberry Smiggles, strawberry and fruity pebbles bath bomb chunks. Now these are so much fun. I love using these. Obviously, I'm gonna open it and smell it. I love using these on my own, but then also Hunter, my son, loves using bath bombs when he takes baths too, just because he sees mommy does it and he loves it, but I like to throw a handful of these in there. I have fake nails on, so it's kind of hard to open. Whew. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. That smells exactly like, it kind of smells like Fruit Loops. Okay, pretty, like I said, I'll be doing a video with these as well. And then I think I have one last thing in here. Let me make sure, just because when there's packing peanuts, it's kind of okay, hard to see. Last but not least is one that I'm actually very excited about. So she is obviously located in Scottsdale, Arizona, but I am in Colorado. So when I saw that she had this right here, I'm making sure you guys can see that. This is the Vibes Bath Bombs Shower Gel Colorado Sunrise. This is in citrus, lily, warm woods, musk, golden amber, and vanilla. And I'm excited to see how this smells. She's got a, oh my gosh. She's got a thing on top to keep it sealed, but it looked like it did leak just a little bit, which is fine. Oh my gosh. Babe, come smell this.
It's subtle and good. Not overpowering. It's nice.
He said it's subtle, good, not overpowering. Colorado Sunrise. This is a shower gel. Oh my gosh. This is like everything that I would want in a shower gel. I'm going to close it show you guys what it looks like. Look how gorgeous. So it totally looks like a sunrise. And if you guys did not know, here in Colorado, this is, oh my gosh, yeah. Okay, look, you can see some glitter up in there. Our sunrises are gorgeous. They pretty much look exactly like this. So if I like this, which I know I will, I'm definitely going to be purchasing another one. But it smells amazing. I love the look of this, and yeah, I'm just excited to try that out. And I don't have many places that I purchase shower gels from, so, and I have been kind of all about trying not buying like shower gels from the store, just because I don't do that. I don't think they do that great and great of a job. And I love buying from small businesses, obviously, and I like when it's like hydrating and stuff like that. So this says, squeeze desired amount into hand, cloth, or loofah and wash away. Goes great in cocktails, which a cocktail is when you blend, like you chop up a bubble bar and then put some like that, squeeze that on top of it, which I kind of sort of got it for that, but I'm going to be using it as a shower gel as well. Anyway, thank you so much for sending me these amazing products. Obviously, I did purchase these, and she sent in little samples for me, which I so appreciate. I love it. Can't wait for your next launch, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below. If you know of any small businesses you think I should check out, like I said, comment down below. I will see you guys in the next one, and toodaloo.